Good morning, everyone. In our last lecture, we have completed chapter 6 of civics textbook, Understanding Media. Today, we shall revise question answer exercise of this chapter and worksheet. Question first: in what ways does the media play an important role in democracy? What is the role of media in democracy? It plays an important role in the following ways. It provides information about the working and decisions taken by the government. And it also makes the government aware of the public reactions on its working and decision. गवर्नमेंट की फंक्शनिंग लोगों तक पहुंचती है एंड पीपल्स का पब्लिक का रिएक्शन क्या है उनकी वर्किंग को लेकर के ये चीज़ भी क्लियर होती है. Second question: what do you understand by to set the agenda? In our chapter, we have a topic to set the agenda. What is the meaning of this topic? This heading: media decide as to what news are to be focused on and what is newsworthy. किस न्यूज़ को इम्पोर्टेंस देनी है. This is known as to set the agenda. Question third: what is censorship? Censorship क्या था? When the government prevent either a news item or scene from a movie or the lyrics of a song from being shared with the larger public, this is known as censorship. When government holds or control any activity, this is known as censorship. Just like a news. Fourth question: what do you understand by media? All the means of communication like phone, radio, television, newspaper through which we communicate in the society is called media. All these things are, which we have used an example, are the sources of media. Question 5: write a note on different agencies of media. Just recall from the chapter, we have revised two types of agencies. One is print media and second is electronic media. Examples of print media are newspaper, journals and magazines. And from electronic media, radio, television, cinema. Question 6: why does media need money? How does it earn money? Media needs money to meet its expenses like lights, cameras, sound recorders, transmission satellites, and the people who operate it. Just recall from the topic, a setup or a studio of the news channel. In the studio, we have lights, camera, sound recorders, transmission satellites. All these are required for studio. Media earns money by advertising the different items like soaps, cream, cars, mobile phones, etc. Media needs money to meet its expenses, and from where it earn money? Through advertisements. These are NCERT based question answers. In what ways does the media play an important role in democracy? Role of media played in democracy. It is the backbone or the fourth pillar of democracy. It provides news and discussing events taking place in the country. It gives people information about how government works. It also gives information about the election related news and results. And it raises the issues or problems related to the common people. Next question. What do you understand about the link between media and big business from this diagram? तो जितने भी बड़े बिजनेस हाउसेस हैं उन्होंने अपने क्या बनाए हुए हैं, न्यूज़ चैनल्स या अदर चैनल्स जैसे। और बिजनेस हाउसेस क्या करते हैं, एडवर्टाइज करवाते हैं मीडिया के थ्रू। मीडिया को कौन व्यू करता है, रीडर्स, व्यूअर्स एंड लिसनर्स। आइटम्स प्रमोट हो रहे हैं उनके, और उसका बेनिफिट कहाँ जा रहा है, बिग बिजनेस हाउसेस को। उनको बेनिफिट होता है, इसीलिए वो एडवर्टीजमेंट करते हैं। मीडिया शोज न्यूज़ ऑफ इंटरेस्ट टू द पीपल ऑन रेडियो, television and newspaper. Big business house advertise their products through media to attract people, just like cars, soap, shampoo, creams. Media show these advertisement by taking some charges and makes profit, a source of income for the media. People buy these products of the big business and thus the cost and advertisements with some profit returns to them. अब बिजनेस हाउसेस जो क्या हैं वो इन्वेस्ट करते हैं किस पे, मीडिया पर। मीडिया जैसे एडवर्टीजमेंट्स बनवाई और उस एडवर्टीजमेंट्स के ऊपर कुछ फाइनेंशियल सोर्सेज जो हैं उनको दिए, एडवर्टीज़ करवाया प्रोडक्ट, और उसके बाद काफ़ी सारा प्रॉफिट वो लोग गेन करते हैं। व्हाट काइंड ऑफ इफेक्ट डज दिस हैव इन डेमोक्रेसी? एक टॉपिक हमने किया था, टू सेट द एजेंडा। What kind of effect does this have in a democracy? Provide two examples to support. Effect of this agenda in a democracy. It influences the thoughts, feelings and actions of the people. It brings attention of the people to the various issues of the people. It influences the thoughts, feelings and actions of the people. कि लोग परचेज करेंगे एडवर्टीजमेंट्स को देख करके। इट ब्रिंग्स अटेंशन ऑफ द पीपल टू द वेरियस इश्यूज ऑफ द पीपल। कॉमन इश्यूज जो है वो कई बार सामने आ सकते हैं। एंड सम हाउ इट हैज़ इन्फ्लुएंस इन आवर लाइव्स एंड इन शेपिंग आवर थॉट्स एंड दस सेट्स द एजेंडा। अपने आइडियाज़ को कैसे हम कन्वर्ट करते हैं, अपने शेप देते हैं। एंड टू एग्जाम्पल्स इन स्पोर्ट। The media drew our attention to alarming level of pesticides in cola drinks. कोला ड्रिंक का जो एक एग्जाम्पल हमने किया था कि कैसे वहाँ पर उन्होंने अलार्म किया, अवेयर किया लोगों को। They published reports that indicate the high level of pesticides. And second, it published the news of the mass number of suicide committed by the farmers, which leads to large scale movement. कि फार्मर्स जो हैं कैसे सुसाइड कर रहे थे। तो ये चीज़ गवर्नमेंट को दोबारा से रीथिंकिंग के लिए इफेक्ट करेगी कि गवर्नमेंट दोबारा से इस चीज़ के ऊपर प्लान करे। वर्कशीट ऑफ दिस चैप्टर विच वी हैव डन, फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स विद appropriate words. Independent media plays a significant role in a democratic country. Dash are a recent phenomena in the media. Cable TV and internet are a recent phenomena in the media. Mass media earns money through advertisements. Fourth, with dash typewriters, journalism underwent a change with the invention of electronic typewriters. Electronic typewriters, journalism underwent a change in the 1940s. Fifth, at times, media is prevented from publishing a story. This is called censorship, when government holds or control over media. This is known as censorship. State whether the given statements are true or false. Media is the plural form of the word middle. This is wrong, false. Second, television has made us think of ourselves as global citizens. This is true. काफ़ी वास्ट कर दिया है हमारी थिंकिंग को. घर पर बैठे ही हम काफ़ी सारी चीज़ों को ऑब्जर्व कर सकते हैं. चेंजिंग टेक्नोलॉजीज हेल्प मीडिया टू रीच मोर पीपल. दिस इज ट्रू. लाइक इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडिया एंड प्रिंट मीडिया, इंटरनेट, वेब कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग, वीडियो कॉलिंग. Fourth, balanced report discuss only one point of view or one side story. This is false. In balanced report, we have both sides, positive or negative views of the same story. Media can be divided into print media and electronic media. This is true. Match portion. J.L. Bate. J.L. Bate कौन थे? स्कॉटिश इन्वेंटर. ऑप्शन बी. खबर लहरिया. खबर लहरिया was news, a local newspaper in UP started by some Dalit women. Option C. Satellites. Satellites are revolutionized mass media. मास मीडिया में रेवोल्यूशन लाया इन्होंने. हेल्पफुल इन प्रोग्रेसिव वर्क्स इन डेवलपमेंट्स. एक गटनबर्ग क्या था? प्रिंटिंग प्रेस एंड इलेक्ट्रॉनिक टाइपराइटर इन 1940s. Okay students, revise exercise based question answers and worksheet of this chapter. Learn it carefully and keep preparation for your exams. Thank you.